Dear students, today we are going to see about text files. In 12th class computer syllabus, we have read about three types of files, na? Text files, binary files, and CSV files. Out of this, now this program uses a text file. Okay, this is a program to get roll numbers, names, and marks of the students of a class from the keyboard. That means we need to use input function to read roll number, name, and marks, and we are going to store those marks related details in a text file marks.txt. Okay, first of all we need to create an object related to the text file. Here we are going to create an object named as fileout is equal to open. We are going to use the open method. And what is the name of the text file? Marks.txt. What is the file mode here? W means write. We know na there are different types of file modes. W means write, R means read, okay, B means binary. Okay, likewise many file modes are there na. Now we are going to open this file marks.txt to write data into it. First, instead of taking directly 5 student details or 6 student details, we are asking the user to enter, okay, how many student details you want to enter, like that. Okay, here the first statement is count equal to int input how many students are there in the class. That means, okay, it is going to display how many students are there in the class, and whatever you give that number will be stored in count. For example, initially the count value the user has given 5. The count value the user has given 5. Then you know about for loop. I have already discussed in the previous programs. For loop uses range function. Range function totally takes 3 arguments. One is initial value for this variable I. The second one is condition. Third one is step value. We have discussed that initial value, if you do not give, the initial value will be how much? 0. Okay, and condition is must and should. Here the variable count has given. And finally update expression or step value, if you do not give, that value will be 1. Okay, for I in range count means it will works the for loop until it gets the value less than 5. Count value is 5 na, it will works, okay, until the value of I is less than 5. And what is the initial value of I now? As initial value not given, it will be 0. It will be 0. Okay, when I equal to 0, first it is going to display enter details for student. What is 0 plus 1? 1. Okay, enter details for student 1 below. Then it is going to ask enter the roll number. User is going to enter some roll number, and it will ask you enter the name. The user is going to give some name. You should observe here input function takes int here. Why? Because it should be converted into integer. Roll number is integer na. Here there is no conversion. Why? Because the default data taken by input function is string only. The name is string na. Yes. The next one is it will ask you enter the marks. Marks can be taken in float. That means it can have decimal point. Okay, that means we have collected the 3 details: roll number, name, marks, and we need to store this one in which one? Text file marks.txt. let us store this one in a sentence format. Okay, that means in between these values comma should be there. Here see, we are making a string record. Okay, string of roll number. That means roll number is converting into string now. That means, for example, roll number 10 has given. Okay, plus. That means this plus operator is called concatenation operator na. In strings, to add two strings, you need to use plus operator. Plus double quotes comma means comma will come. Name, you have given some Nani. You have given some Nani. It will come. It will take this one. Plus comma means after that comma will come. String of marks 75 he got, for example. 75. Now record contains this one, and slash n means new line. The next output will next data, it will come the next data till new line. Then file out dot write record means this entire data will be writing into a text file. What is the text file here? Marks dot txt. Okay, this data will be written into text file. Okay, then after this one what will happen? It is for loop. That's why now the value of I will becomes 0 plus 1 1. Again it will take, okay, 1 less than 5 na? Again it will take roll number, name, marks, and again it will make this type of sentence. Again that sentence also will be stored in text file. Likewise, totally 5 statements will be, so 5 lines of data which contains roll number, name, and marks will be stored in the text file. That is going to be happen in this program. Thank you, my dear students. Wonderful students. Bye na bye.